I think if you were to drive up Belmont Avenue, you can see and spot a number of minority businesses that have been there for a long time and do very well and serve the community, minority and otherwise.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
A lot of businesses are well established and been around for a long time and carry a lot of pride with that longevity. Some of the newer businesses, however, may have a couple of barriers, and that would be, I would say, a lack of knowledge as it relates to the products and services that we offer that could help them. And so not knowing that, I think it warrants a conversation between someone at the bank and that particular business.
One of the primary barriers is education and not a complete understanding of what is available. We have a number of terrific community organizations that promote and try to develop entrepreneurship in the minority community and others, but specifically in the minority community, I can think of Oak Hill Collaborative, Youngstown Business Incubator, specifically, and their entrepreneurship program. And I think there just if there were more awareness of what's available and the willingness, I think, of not just nonprofit organizations but the banking community to engage and help minority businesses develop, get started, develop, and grow. The minority businesses that we have and that I'm familiar with, and there's several of them that I frequent that are within. I can see them out the window here from downtown, and they've been around and well established and do a wonderful job. I think if you were to drive up Belmont Avenue, you can see and spot a number of minority businesses that have been there for a long time and do very well and serve the community, minority and otherwise. So those are what I would call the strengths. They're well established, excellent reputations. They do a good job. The weakness, I believe, is just the lack of the number of minority businesses and the lack of new minority businesses. And it goes back to some of the questions we discussed regarding, the barriers and the education needed, and the fact that there are resources available to help minority businesses get up and running. But I don't know that we've done a good enough job in general as a banking industry and the community organizations to get the word out. I think the volume or the number of opportunities could be better, and that's a weakness that we, I think a lot of folks are working to overcome.
This is a very prideful community, and when people talk about their particular business, this is the businesses that they have passion in, that they probably plan for a long time, and once they see it get off the ground, they're pretty excited about it. And then on top of that, when we can come in and help them be that much better by just giving them background and experience as it relates to finances, financial education, that's a good marriage.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit BusinessJournalDaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to AfterHoursYoungstown.com.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.